The Continental Hospitals is here to lead India's healthcare to international standards. We provide extraordinary healthcare with 30 plus specialities. Continental Hospitals is a 700-bedded super specialty healthcare institution built to international standards. With its world-class medical facility, Dr. Reddy's uncompromising dedication towards compassionate medicine with focus on patients first will be highly significant in bringing about a refreshing change to the healthcare scene in India. As such, delivery of superior quality patient care is the forefront mission of Continental Hospitals. He is also in the firm belief that good quality can cost less. Our commitment to offer the highest quality care to each patient remains at the center of everything we deliver. With over 30 specialities, Continental Hospital is here to offer a new experience in healthcare by providing world-class technologies, 21 modular operation theatres, renowned doctors, compassionate nurses, advanced ICUs and emergency center, Continental Hospitals is here to redefine the healthcare scenario in India. The founder and chairman, Dr. Guru N Reddy, embarked upon establishing Continental Hospitals to positively bring the latest in healthcare in India.
I am proud to be a part of Continental Hospitals. As a physician leader, I felt there was an imminent need in our country to have a very good hospital that catered to all segments of its populations. Continental is established with a vision to provide quality health care with integrity, with transparency and evidence-based medicine. The infrastructure of Continental has been designed with an effort to accommodate the best of the standards in the world today. These value-add services have been taken into consideration because they have a significant impact on the recovery of patients at all times. The multiple entry and exit points at Continental today helps to avoid patient congestion. Continental also is one of the very few hospitals to have single-bed intensive care units. At a time in India when people are succumbing to higher infection rates than anywhere else in the world, it is truly a need of the hour to have proper intensive care rooms in taking care of those who are very sick and participating in their recovery. I am very proud to say that Continental has one of the best diagnostic services in the country today. Its state-of-the-art radiology department has several new technologies that will come to aid physician diagnosis much quicker, with more precision, with a great group of radiologists who have been trained nationally and internationally, who are making a difference every day in the lives of people. Our 3D CT imaging of the heart is one of the few in the world today which can precisely give accurate information with regards to the coronary arteries of the heart for a patient who is being evaluated with chest pain or for risk factors for heart disease. Our radiology department has many other new technologies that are providing significant help to our doctors in precise diagnosis. In a short span of Continental's history, we have diagnosed several critical diseases, and several patients have come to us for second opinions, and we are very proud that we are making a difference in their lives.
I've been fallen down and had an injury in my left shoulder, wherein the ball joint got dislocated and there are multiple fractures have happened. And I went to the local surgeons, orthopedic surgeons. They have referred to Dr. Sunil with Continental Hospitals. After receiving me at the reception, and when initial casualty people have attended me, and the way they have approached and they diagnosed the problem and given me the confidence, build up the confidence level by their words and support. The Continental Hospital staff, receiving staff has made me very comfortable, put me in very comfortable situation. And subsequent to getting into the room, the housekeeping staff, ward boys of Continental Hospital and nurses were very cooperative and very helpful me in getting a speedy recovery.
Continental Hospitals has one of the most advanced emergency centers in the country because every life counts.
Continental today has one of the largest emergency centers in the world. With more than 25 rooms, the emergency area is divided into disease-specific zones. We have an acute chest pain center and a stroke center. We have an emergency trauma center. We have urgent care family clinic that is open 24/7. It is very important in today's medicine when a patient with a chest pain or acute heart attack comes to the hospital within a span of 4 to 5 hours, he has to be taken care of with proper intervention. Continental Hospital boasts of rapid action team that can attend to these patients within these few hours and help to take care of their problem. Continental's Heart Center is one of the best in the world today. Its cardiac catheterization rooms, its non-invasive diagnostic heart facilities, including for echocardiography, the arrhythmia center, the stress test centers, and the availability of doctors, that is cardiologists 24/7, is second to none. And the heart center is also supported by very well-trained cardiothoracic surgeons who bring in more than 30 years of clinical expertise from different parts of the world. Continental Hospitals is different in terms of providing health care to its patients. We have made service excellence as our highest priority. The hospital and its management has chosen very carefully physicians in different specialties who can articulate and translate and transform this mission and vision. In today's world, when patients are burdened with a variety of chronic diseases, it is of paramount importance that how we engage these patients with greatest empathy by interpersonal communication skills, by listening and hearing to them well, by understanding their needs and accordingly planning their treatments and help them to make decisions at every step of the way. This is how Continental stands apart. This is how the service is experienced differently, where every patient of ours is going to have that ultimate perception that care at Continental is truly an everlasting experience. I am very proud to say today that every physician working at Continental Hospitals is redefining healthcare through their leadership in engaging every patient with quality, with utmost integrity, with collaboration and compassionate expertise. That has been simply the premise of foundation and the birth of Continental Hospitals. I'm extremely confident within a very short span of time in this city, in our state, in our country, that Continental's physician leadership in excellent collaboration with nurses and paramedical staff, will go on to take the delivery of healthcare to the best of the standards in the world. Thank you.